Hey guys, it's Vinamra here from the Fountain Pen Guy, back with another vlog. Now this is going to be like an informative and interactive kind of a vlog. We are here in Delhi in South Extension area, and we are here in one of the famous fountain pen shops which is named as Pen Point. So this is the Pens Point place in South Extension in Delhi, and we'll be going around this shop and we'll be having a tour of the shop and we'll be understanding. So let me take a tour inside. So we have Ravi Bhaiya over here who's from Pens Point. He'll be attending to us. So it's a very small shop and it's like having a lot of pens out here, if you can see. There's that Twisby, Lamy, there's Karen Dache, there's Private Reserve, there's Monteverde, a lot of brands, Platinum, Pilot, Parker, a lot of brands out here, what we can see. Then there are some Indian brands also out here like Canrite and all of these. I think I will ask Ravi Bhaiya to speak a little about this Pen Point shop which he has. आप जो भी है आप थोड़ा बताइए आपके शॉप के बारे में.
मेरा शॉप जो है ये फाउंटेन पेन पे बेस्ड है और ये हम लोग फाउंटेन पेन और इंक्स जो है डील करते हैं. विंटेज पेन्स और मॉडर्न पेन्स भी इंडियन पेन्स भी पेन्स लॉन्च किया है इंडियन में कस्टम मेड में.
ओके.
जो ये है आपके एंड कैंडाइट के भी पेन्स हैं. More than 500 pen collectors from all over India से.
तो ये कब स्टार्ट हुआ था एग्जैक्टली?
मेरे फादर ने 90s में स्टार्ट किया.
ओके.
2012 से मैं रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ इसको. एंड 2012 से जब से मैंने स्टार्ट किया जो है तब से मैंने फाउंटेन पेन पे फोकस किया एंड अभी स्टार्टिंग करते करते जो है काफ़ी अच्छा ग्रो हो गया.
So what we understand by the shop is it's pretty old, as he told that it started in 1990s and then he's taken over his father's business from 2012. It's a pretty old shop. It's a small shop which has a lot of pen brands and a lot of pen collecting things out here. Like there are pen accessories, there are fountain pens out here of different brands, of different bodies like celluloid and ebonite and everything like out here. There are inks also out here. There are some notebooks also out here. So whatever you prefer, you can buy out here according to your preferences and your buying options. It's a must-visit place here in Delhi, especially if you're here and you're looking for a good fountain pen at a good price also. They have good offers going on. They have an Instagram account also which you should follow, and they're pretty active on Instagram to be followed, which can be helpful for you to understand which pen you want to buy. Canrite is one of their brands which they are selling in all the different kind of ranges out here, what we can see. So here I would like definitely recommend, it's my complete recommendation, as we saw in the previous vlog also of my stationery in Pune. I would definitely recommend you coming here and buying a pen out here and checking out some pens, especially if you're a fountain pen addict and if you're a stationery addict. So I'll thank Ravi Bhaiya out here. I'll be also posting one of the videos. It's going to be about Canrite Desire, which is a fountain pen which I've bought out here. I'll be posting like a haul video on that also. So I'll thank Ravi Bhaiya for letting me shoot in this shop and letting me make like a vlog set of a video out here. This is Fountain Pen Guy signing off, and I hope to see you in my next video.